Hey people, so we are at the Hyderabad book fair, and we've come here, and it's like a exhibition here. And Ayush, this is something we were standing in line to get. What is it called, Ayush?
Bamboo chicken.
Bamboo chicken. It's a speciality of Hyderabad, and it looks like Ayush really likes it. Yeah, okay, eat it, Ayush, please. Is it nice, Ayush? How different is it from the regular chicken?
I'll have to say is 9 out of 10.
Really? And the fact is, we had to really wait in line to get it. That was really something. So I think I'll wait for my chola bhatura. I'll get it. And Ayush, you need to complete this whole thing. So yeah, this is how it is. Wow, the Hyderabad book exhibition. It's at the back. So yeah. So that's on that note. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.